Hello, I am Dr. Umesh Sharma, Consultant Interventional Pulmonologist and Sleep Medicine Specialist working in Sunshine Hospitals, Gachibowli. So today we are going to discuss about tips on asthma. In asthma patients, most of the times the disease will be triggered by the external factors. So avoiding external factors is very important in asthma patients. If you avoid the external factors, 50% of your asthma will be under control. So let us discuss about what are those common external factors which triggers the asthma. First one, common cold. Asthma patients will be getting frequently common cold flu infections at least 3 to 5 times a year, especially in the winter and rainy seasons. So we suggest to take a flu vaccine every year. 95 to 99% of the common cold will be prevented. Second factor, so cold climate. You have to keep your body and your environment in a warm condition. For that you have to use woolen clothes and you have to cover your ears and use room heaters to keep your environment warm. So third factor, dust and pollution. So already due to COVID times, we are all habituated using the mask. So asthma patients should continue using the mask. So the mask which can be used is N95, N90 and at least 3-layer mask can be used. Fourth factor, food allergies. So asthma patients have to identify which kind of food they are allergic to. So you have to list out the food and you have to avoid that. Commonly, asthma patients will be allergic to banana, citrus fruits, pomegranate, custard apples, brinjals and ice creams and curd, etc. So you have to identify what is that food which is allergic to asthma, and you have to avoid that food. If you avoid the external factors, your asthma will be definitely under control, and if you are getting asthma also, it will be easily managed with 1 or 2 medications. Let us discuss about the asthma medications. So first one is, we commonly write Montelukast combinations, and second one is inhalers. There are 2 types of inhalers. One is powder form and another one is spray form. So let us discuss about the powder form of inhalers first. There are 2 devices will be there. So one device consists of the capsules, and second device is you have to load this capsule in this machine and you have to take a deep breath. So here you have to carry 2 devices in your pocket. So there is a latest machine, powder form machine, which already capsules will be loaded in this machine. Only thing you have to do is that you have to open the machine, you have to rotate it on your left and you have to take a deep breath. So only one machine you can carry it in the pocket. So another form of inhalers are meter dose inhaler. It is a spray form or mist form. So this one is a meter dose inhaler. So you have to open this, you have to press the canister like this and the spray will be delivered. So here pressing the canister and taking a deep breath, coordination is very important. So most of the times there will be coordination problems, especially with the old age people and with the children. So this one is the latest inhaler where you can open the device and you have to put it in your mouth and you have to take a deep breath. No need pressing this inhaler. When you put it in the mouth and you take a deep breath, the spray will be delivered. So this is all about asthma. Avoiding external factors is very important for asthma patients, and taking flu vaccines will avoid your common cold infections, and using medications and inhalers under regular basis will definitely control your asthma. Thank you.
Sunshine.